pop-up storms. Hope you're staying dry. Some of us aren't, but most of us are. I think most of that energy is to our west and central Tennessee. Kind of looking at these storms from our Nashville radar, we can see looks more scattered, even a few stronger storms by the Murfreesboro area. I think those will weaken before they reach us, and for us, we actually are tracking some rain. Here's a view in McLeod Mountain, up in the clouds in Campbell County, and we are tracking a few storms, not severe, but with this, seeing some heavy rain. Visibilities are being reduced up there at McLeod Mountain. Here's a look at the radar. I do want to show you where these storms are. So again, most of us are dry. Knox County not seeing any rain. Last evening, Knox County had a few strong storms pass through, but as of right now, pretty isolated. Coverage this evening not as widespread as the past couple of days. Zooming up into Campbell County, down into Anderson County, those are those showers that you just saw on that McLeod Mountain camera. Really not much lightning. And looking at the top left-hand corner of that screen, not a whole lot of lightning with those, but there is some heavy rain. Could be some gusty winds as well as we zoom down to our southwest. Seeing a few storms pop up, but you can see they popped up in Bledsoe. By the time they got to Ray County, they really, or actually Roane County, they did really weaken. So I think these storms, what's left of that storm fuel, the storms will pop up and then weaken pretty quickly. And as they weaken, that's when we could see some of those gusty winds. Right now, Blount County, again, a little pop-up storm. The rain was heavy briefly, and then it fizzled out. Now just a few light showers in the Smokies. Most are dry, but in Cott County, they've been dealing with some rain throughout the afternoon. These storms are moving up just north of Del Rio Elementary and just east of Parisville. We are tracking those. Those are not strong, not much lightning as well with those. Knoxville view looking southwest looks pretty ominous, but Knoxville not seeing any rain. 87 degrees. It is a little bit breezy. West wind 13 miles per hour as we go throughout this evening. Just holding on to that slight chance for a shower or storm. After midnight, we dry out. Temperatures cooling slowly. It's going to be another steamy night. So keep those windows shut. You're going to want to have the AC on full blast once again tonight. Temperatures a couple degrees above normal. Just so much moisture in place, and that will serve as fuel once again tomorrow for some more showers and storms, and maybe even some fog tomorrow morning. Doesn't look all that widespread, but here's tomorrow, Thursday, planning it out. Scattered storms, temperature around normal, but it won't feel like the upper 80s, feeling more like the mid 90s. Again, make sure to hydrate, practice heat safety. Here's Thursday, 6 predictor. Storms look a bit more widespread during the afternoon, as some of those could be stronger. Still not too concerned about severe weather. Again, gusty winds, frequent lightning, isolated flood potential, the main hazards with these storms, and once again, losing the daytime heating, losing the chance for those storms. Friday, that's what we have to watch out for. Here's Thursday, once again, low chance for that flooding, but Friday into Saturday, chances for rain go up. Maybe even some higher ingredients for severe weather Friday. Saturday could be active too. Already a 1 out of 5 on that severe storm risk for Friday, and a 2 out of 4 for the flood threat for Friday into Saturday as well. So if you have weekend plans Saturday, sadly, could be a washout at times. Temperature a little bit cooler. Sunday, that's the better of the days, but still staying unsettled. By next week, Monday, maybe a slight chance for those storms. But, Bo, I think we're finally exiting this wet pattern by midweek next week. Looking forward to some dry weather.
I was going to say, get a chance to dry out. All right, Zach, thank you, sir. Hey, still to come here on the 7, University of Tennessee unveiling its